Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be looking at how to pan your guitar signal based on the patch that you are using. So think of it like there could be scenarios where there are two guitarists playing. They could be playing the same thing or they could be playing different things to complement each other. So one, if both of depending on the setting, one of them can decide to pan to the left and then the other person will pan to the right. So for example, let me play the normal signal without modifying anything. So let me hit record. Let me turn on the octave. So you realize both left and right, I'm recording in stereo. Both left and right is properly represented because the panning of the patch is centered, so you can hear both left and right equally. So if I were to push it to the left side, it means you would only hear from your right ear. Sorry, you would hear from your left ear if you are listening in stereo. So you realize the signal only shows at the top, it doesn't show at the bottom. So the top is the left, the bottom is the right. So the octave again. So you realize it only represents in the left. If I were to do the same thing for the right, let's look at the signal again. So you realize it only recorded the right signal. So in a live setting where you guys, the two guitarists agree to either pan their guitars in the live session, usually I'm saying this because there could be a situation where whatever that you are playing, it's going on live on YouTube as well. And usually pre and post production is done live. So if you have listened or you've come across this particular album by Paul Wilbur. It's called Jerusalem Arise. You realize two guitarists are playing. One is Chris Rodriguez, and then the other is Mark Baldwin. So I think I've forgotten exactly how the thing was. Chris was, I think I'm just exaggerating, but when you listen, you get to know what I mean. Chris was playing on the left, Mark was playing on the right. So you could hear the dynamics when each of them come in to complement each other. So you can listen to, I think, just listen to the entire album. You get a gist of what I mean. So this is just a very simple demonstration of how you could pan your your patch. So supposing if I were to save this, let me turn off my octave first. If I were to save this and then I change this to let's say a clean, sorry, and let's say I moved from that particular clean to my Marshall tone. Let me turn on the octave. So it just records the right only. So you can modify it to suit or just try many things out and see which one works for you. So I'll put this back at the center because most of the time there's only one guitarist who is playing, which is me. So experiment with this and then let's leave us a comment. like and subscribe, and also share with other Valeton users as well. See you next time.